Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Messenger unable to load camera roll problem. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your camera roll here inside Messenger and you can't send photos, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, typically, if you go to your chats here and go to your messages, and if you click on the gallery button at the left side here, you should be able to see all your photos. But the thing with this one is sometimes Messenger here would remove certain permissions inside the app. So if that's the case, just click on the turn on option and go and just click on allow all. Now it's important that you choose allow all here so you can see all of the photos that you have right now. Now, in some cases, some photos or your photos may not appear in here, so don't worry, there's another way for you to access certain photos. Now, in this case, you want to go and click on the colorful fan or the Google Photos fan next to the off section at the top right on the all photos section. So if you click on it, this will actually open up Google Photos, which in this case should allow you to see your gallery. So in this case, you could either go to your camera or your downloads and you could go and just select the photo that you may want to send. And once you've chosen that, you could go ahead and basically send this to that specific person or in this chat here. Now, alternatively here, if you can't access the Google Photos here, what you may want to do is you may want to access the camera instead. Because inside the camera, you should see a photos section or icon at the bottom left of your screen. So if you press or click on it, this will redirect you to your gallery. And again, you just need to select the photo that you want to send, and you can go and just click on send here, and you should be able to send that specific photo to that specific user, as you can see right now. And if that doesn't help and still not working for you, the final thing that you may want to do is you may want to just utilize the share button inside your gallery. So directly open up your gallery or the gallery app inside your phone, and you want to access the photo that you may want to send. Like for example, I want to send this photo here. Let's go and open it up. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on the share button. So either click on the three-dotted option at the bottom right of your screen and just choose the send button, or you can go and directly click on the send button that you see here at the bottom left of your screen, and you want to go and scroll to the very bottom here and just choose messenger or chats. Once you do see that icon, you should be able to select which person you want to send this to. So you can either send this to the specific user. Just wait for a while. You can even write your own message if you want. And once you've done that, let's go and exit our Messenger app or our gallery here. Let's go open up the Messenger app here and see if we've sent that. As you can see right now, we've just sent it to our friend. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.